This is a video on how to make like a fire pit sort of thing. This is the first one. I've kind of already started making it because I didn't have the camera to use, but I'm just gonna do some videos anyway. This is the first one. Tools and materials to make it. Right, yeah. Start with, if you're going to make it out of metal, which I don't know what else you'd make it out of, you're going to need a welder. This is a MIG welder, but I've also got an arc welder, but you can use any really, depending on the thickness of your metal and whatever. If you're using MIG welder, you'll need wire, gas, and if you're using arc, you'll need rods. Metal, I got this. This is 40mm by, I don't know if you can see that, 3mm flat bar. I got about 10 meters of this for about £20, which I don't know. I don't really keep an eye on steel prices. And I've got about a metre or so left over anyway, so it's alright. Wire brush, kind of standard with all welding and metal work stuff. Angle grinder, you can use a hacksaw if you really want, but you're not going to be able to grind down your welds and it'll take ages to cut everything. Discs, can use one of these magnetic welding clamps, but I haven't really used that much. One of them that much on this project. Quite a useful tool is one of these sliding bevel, because they're always useful to, like really useful to get angles. Say you wanted 45 degrees, you just like move it to there and just put it on your material, mark across. Helmet marker, I kind of burnt that one, started welding too close to it. Yeah, tri-square, they're always useful. Well, they're kind of really important, cutting your metal. Yeah, and then what I did was I just marked all this metal up in one go, cut it all in one go, saves time really, because then you don't have to keep switching between tools. Yeah, that's about it really. And a workbench, I'm using that one out there today. Oh yeah, also forgot to mention, if you like doing a design like I am, I got this mesh stuff you get from like plasterers, builders yards, builders, merchant suppliers. It's like known as expanded metal, and yeah, if you can, try and get it ungalvanized, because then when you weld it, it won't give off acid fumes. But if you can't, then well, then you can't. I'm just gonna have to be careful when I weld this. But yeah, that's about it really, I think. Yeah, next video coming up shortly.